Brilliant kid.
He said, don't stand your back in the you can't back your back. You know when you get ready, you just can't get back to your I was just you went there loud and you said don't do that. But you know when they do that, that means they start you know he's okay, but he's just
He's still dangerous as ever? Nah, I lost it. What happened? You became an adult. Yeah, don't worry, the Matrix. You'll get yourself back out of the Matrix.
Yeah. Do you want me to move your stuff?
In fact, let's move it, yeah, because he's going to be running. So let's put it here. Thanks for asking. Cheers, Abby.
On this side?
Yeah. And then we'll move it back because he's going to be doing bowling first. Good, gents.
That's why, oh yeah, into bowling, let's go a little bit fuller. Crunch forward.
A bit of team bonding.
Yeah, one more space.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't think that, but I just... All this time, by the time I got home...
Excellent, Rohan. Really good stretch, mate.
Out the way of my fast bowler. I told you over there. Over there.
I'll let it go for now. Got it on here. What's going on? Oh, no wonder. Error. Oh, I couldn't hear it. Just gonna let the machine warm up. 1 second, kid.
I've got to get out of the weapon. You know what it is? I realize with club cricket, yeah, you can't turn away your own first.
Let's go, kiddo. Sorry about the delay. Next one. So remember on here it stays very low. Yeah, it stays very low. Yes. Now you've got to sit on the chair. Okay? Good, just get used to it. You're backing away that little bit. Shut. Yeah.
I think that's a general.
So you've changed to having no backlift. I'm a bit confused. Is it a bit heavy for a backlift? Okay, so I need you to get down because you used to have a backlift. Okay, so let's go again. I'm sure you used to have a backlift, but yeah. Yeah, you need a backlift, kid. Good. Nice step into it. Yeah. So now let's have a little think now. Yeah.
There's no rhythm there.
As you can see on here, it does not bounce, does it? And look where you're standing. Do you see how the trigger movement? Where's the trigger movement gone? Because you've been batting. You've been batting.
See, when you walk, you're very like heels over the line.
If that one feels heavy, there's slightly under the one. Because you know what it is? I think it's too long. You get down. You not get down with it. So on the upstairs wicket, because it bounces, it's easier. So what you'll see, this one's got an inch less. Come here. It won't fly as well as that one. However, see the difference in height? Yeah? So should we try this one for a second? Yeah? So this one, as you could tell, it was looking a bit big when it meant to, you know when it was coming down for the drive? Yeah? So luckily we got lots of bats to test out, okay?
They probably give you flat
60%, 50%. We get 60%. We can't get full, but
you get, no, I won't get full.
you go to a small company, unless you
Even if you start like that, but then you find a bit so sorry.
Is that already feel better?
You pick your feet.
See, the other one was slightly longer from here. He couldn't drive. He was like up to here too. Because it's rolling, pretty much rolls on here. Does that make sense? So he's got to learn to get forward. Because this is like, you know your grass wicket early on in the season, no bounce.
And you're not
It's got to stay. Yeah, so now you stay low because the ball's staying low and stay there. Good trigger, good. Better. You know what you got to do on here, yeah? Does not bounce, does it? So stay low, stay low. Yes, your old cricket's coming back now. Really good. And that's the right size bat for you.
Yeah.
Just early, that's all. Yeah, so let that ball bounce, then move your hands, then you won't be too early. Next one. So your head was up, keep your head down, leaning forward now, leaning forward. Yeah, see that leaning from the head? That is essential on a low wicket, on all wickets actually, yeah? So leaning from the head. Lovely, just a bit late on that, yeah? So get your bat up and ready for it to come down. Don't forget to bring your other foot across, good. Just too early, let the ball bounce and lean forward. Let the ball bounce and lean. Lovely, yeah? That's what we're going to do today, okay? Get that front foot going. Yeah, so leaning, bring the other foot over. Yes. Good. Well watched, yeah? Really good flow here. Bring the other foot across. Good. But you've got to get all the way across to cover your stumps.
In front of your stump throw.
Better. So let's start again. And then what I want you to do is look this way, trigger, and then look back to see where you are. Look this way and trigger. See, you're too far. Look back now. Look how far you're away. So start from there. So where you was, start from there, and now trigger.
That's
Still too far.
Trigger from there where you are, Ro.
Yeah, so now trigger from there. Now look, beautiful, isn't it? Look back.
The stumps, yeah?
Yeah. So now I want you to get a new habit. Okay, so now move back, yeah? Not as far, you've got to figure out how much is, so a bit more, yes. There's some chalk there, if you want to just chalk down where you start.
Will you remember it?
Yeah, just chalk it down, there's a blue chalk there, can you see it or not? Yeah, so chalk down where you are. So that way you don't forget and then you've got a consistency. So use it for your toes. And check and walk across. Look this way.
Trigger.
Yeah, happy with that? Look back. Check. Yeah? Yeah, because we need leg stump on, so you can play anything off leg stump. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go. Good. Just now, keeping some leaning. The only thing we're missing was leaning, so trigger and lean. Too small a trigger, go back. Sharp. But you've got to get that trigger consistent. It's not consistent. You change how much you do it each time. Better. Good. Leaning. You're still backing out. Yeah. So you want to. Let's move that ball, Rohan. This bat looks more weighted today for him. Do you know what I mean? Like, as in, looks more easy to control. Because the other one just looked like he was lugging. So upstairs, when it's bouncing, he was fine with it, but on a drive, just a little backing away. But you've done well to watch it, yeah.
You done? Go get this ready.
So now that bowled you. So let's put the stumps in so you know when you get bowled. Put the off stump in. We'll have to get him to chalk it in properly because he's not got a consistent trigger in it.
I'm getting a bit closer, I think.
So.
Move that.
Okay, so coming down.
Switching it up a little bit today, back there. You're gonna go there and back.
So you're
It's 2. You're gonna do 6.
on this line here.
You're gonna go there and back to 2. Do 6. You put the 10 on. The 10 on.
You know when the ball goes in, you do this.
Everything better because
Yes. understand? Because then you confuse people then. Look, that trigger's one trigger. If you go there, you're going to have to go in anyway, aren't you? So you're going to use one trigger. Okay, go again.
Going to buy it. Six
So set up on the, you've got a line there. True or not true?
We're not
So
having
on
it.
the new setup, check that line, then I want you to check with that. Okay, we'll check with that. You need to set your hand in your eyes.
They're your tools anyway.
Then,
You're not the tin man.
yes. Do you understand what I'm saying? They don't have much control. Yeah. You don't look at this, you don't know anything. Agree?
I'll go to you for 40. How much? Put it on. This is what I go back to them because why they couldn't come. So you go around there and you go to you lose your what? There's no one to choose it. And then that's why they want to go to look. They're going to do it.
Not to worry about that one.
No,
again.
I'll go to him, I'll give you back.
Nice big trigger. Bigger, because you see you've gone small again. Stumps are still open, look back.
Listen, I don't understand.
Okay, so let's do it all together. Start closer to the stumps.
But you know what it is? I don't mind, a little bit of pain.
Good. Now, practice that shot through there.
One time it's a little bit, oh, I don't want to catch the ball. I'm like, yeah, let's go. See?
Too small trigger, look where you are.
Where did you train?
So you may as well just start in line with the stumps if you're going to have that small trigger. More.
When we caught them,
There, perfect.
All that first preseason.
Now trigger.
We played three preseason games. We played 3 preseason games and no one else played.
Yeah.
We played in the denseness of the grass and the coldness that loves.
I can see why you've got that big space now to protect the leg side. Fair enough. So if you can access the leg side from there, keep it. Yeah, because you're accessing leg side, but then start to flick it when it's on your. Yeah. And in a minute, I'm going to come down with the tees and we can practice the flick. Shot. That's a shot of the day for you, kid. Shot. Look how far you are this time. Look back. You never look back.
Yeah, man.
Shot, kid. Head down.
Let's go back.
Yeah, you finally got that glance in. You're gonna have to grow some courage there, yeah? Good.
Careful how you turn it around. Alright, let's go.
Good, I don't mind that.
Down the side.
There's no trigger, no backlift, what are you doing? Yeah, then move it. If you're uncomfortable, move it. Yeah, it's true, isn't it? Good, because then from there you're going to learn to play this side, yeah? So that was alright, that's not too bad, kid. Okay, have a quick drink, I'll collect and we go again. So at the moment, I feel... Yeah. Grab the bat.
Harris, front arm, front leg. Make sure you come in over the top.
What's the big swing? Is he on the
Show you what shot we were, yeah, didn't you make that? Just set it up on here. You stand just there.
Back in the time over
Okay, so we're going without being hitting the ball. So we're going to go straight and then go through there, yeah. So I've gone here. And what did you notice about the foot? Where's it pointed?
I see that in the story.
Yeah, so if I'm cover driving, I'm going there with that toe.
Like in terms of I haven't travelled in
Now,
there.
while you're right.
Wait, how is that far away?
Does that make sense? So you've got to go into your foot over there. That's why I ask you to hold. See if your foot points in the ball. Let's go. Come in. Good. Okay, so you're basically looking to go there. Okay. Foot here. See where's that pointing? Where should it be? There. Here. Yeah, and then that's the one. Okay, and you stretch out. I mean, you like that, yeah? Okay, It's the head of your head is here, then, and your head is over the ball here. Yeah, is that back? Yeah, make sure that's here. Closer. Body straight there. And nice and that man, you get down. Okay?
Well, I was with him at that time, but he was doing all that stuff. When he was telling me he was doing all that stuff, I would have been like, what are you doing? That's on the reason they and then he was understanding this one. This one.
Okay, you can't turn the ball from here through there. If you want to turn it there, it has to be here, doesn't it? So shall we try and flip that ball? Yeah. Round into there.
Oh man.
Yeah. Do you understand? So the one that's here goes through here. The one that's here will go there. Yeah. Lean, flip. Alright? Oh, nice.
He did say to me he was playing the chess question and he said, oh, is it a question? Oh, that's it. The one. Yeah, that was that one. You know, so about this spin that song. Yeah, the back one. Yeah. Did you talk about yesterday?
I tell you that then. Yeah, you just needed to get that out. It's so hard to do it as a spoken thing. It's a lot better than we did it like that. Hello, Vinay.
Hello.
How are you, brother? You know, you good? It's alright, kid. Too tiny a trigger, you've got to figure out where you're going to be standing. If you're doing a tiny trigger, you start over there. Start over there. That's it, just there. That's enough.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
See what I'm saying? You don't want to be too far away because you'll miss everything on offside. Okay, so know that you're not going to stand too far away. You can stand, but not too far away. Good. Good. Lean forward. You're leaning a little bit back. Yeah, so leaning forward.
Only takes one ball.
Not bad. See, that's why you're too far away. Start close to the stump because you're miles away from the ball otherwise. There, and you're okay on leg peg as well from there. You're going to have to just learn to be okay from there. Sharp, good. Stay lower. Really good. You're drifting off again a little. That's what I'm saying. So you're drifting off too far and then you end up miles away from the ball. Better now. Leaning forward. The timing was good. Yeah, but leaning forward because your bum was going to be down. Next one. Better. Now get your feet moving because you're still miles away from the ball. That's the only problem with being miles away from the ball. Let's start on the stumps now. I know that you're frustrated and you have a little cry now, but as you can see, it's not really working massively, is it? Yeah? So now, just stay there and hit. Good. See, doesn't it make sense? Yeah? So stop trying to like make up for the leg side not working. We'll grow that game. But standing so far over there hasn't worked.
You got 190.
Okay, good. You're actually doing well without a trigger. Sharp. See? So now a bit further. Because you don't need to be that far. Thank you. Good. Now build courage when it's straighter. Move back over because you've got no trigger now. There. Wait longer. You've just backed out.
3 inches, maybe 1, 0 and 1. So take that and jump 3.
Good. Building courage on the leg stump. Yeah. And then just practice what shot you should have done. Show me what you just. Yeah. Do it again because you fell down. Thank you.
I'm never going to
Not bad, but you're still too far away from the stumps with no trigger. There's no point in being all the way out. The toes should be in line with leg stump move. Because if you've got no trigger now, then you just stay on the stumps. There. Doesn't it make sense? Because you've progressed without a trigger now. So right now you don't need it, so stay in line with the stumps. Good kid.
And they just interested.
See the timing because you're closer. By being out there, you're miles away from the ball. Learn. You need to be close to the ball to send power from it, through it. Better. Too early, but great flow. Yeah? Just a bit early, let the ball bounce. Good. Alignment. Better. That flick shot is coming. Did you feel the wrist turning?
He didn't really get most cut. He just did his
Not bad.
Jay, he really nurtured the youngster. Really,
I'm glad you're checking back now. Really good kid. Good. Just a bit early and you back out. Don't back out. Stay there. It's not quick at all. Stay there. Good. Courage.
Imagine him leaving us halfway through the meet.
But just leaning back, lean forward and it'll stay along the ground. Slightly bit early.
I am in a pro like him.
Shot, Rohan. You did back out, but it's a really good shot. Okay, last one, kid. Good. Finish on that. Well done.
What's his name? Yeah, and then Vic on the
Finn, do you want to have a bowl of Rohan? Yeah. Do you want to have a face of Vinny?
Yeah.
Yeah, may as well. You guys play the same club, and he's
Smile on him now.
He's too hilarious, I think.
He'll never say that. He'll never say that. He could be crying right now.
in 20 overs. You're under pressure. Back foot. He hits it back foot and goes back into it. But now I think I was a bit more older this year. He might,
Let's have an age, GC.
So basically what we've worked on is we used to do this.
Finn, we'll put full track on in a bit.
That front leg, along with the front leg, and then
Baby,
go like that.
let's do it. Is anything in the way?
What I've worked
Trigger,
on-
You'll be alright from
Being a
there.
bit more
Alright.
dynamic on his back foot. Being less crossed over.
He's thinking about trigger or no trigger. Let him, he's at the moment in between.
This leg down here.
What's good is,
You get to go out.
he's simplified the trigger. It's not a big trigger anymore. I don't think he wants a big trigger.
From that shoulder.
When you go to sleep, he's swiveling. Yeah, so he's like going there instead of going.
Yeah, so you just rotate. You just rotate.
So, remember leading off. Yeah, leading off is
So
always
you look,
It's gotta stay low, remember.
look his arm, and then he pushes his arm up, and then he takes it out to the side. See there?
Well, watch.
It's almost like
Yeah.
a coffee. Yeah, coffees, but they go. Yeah, go. Try and go. Yeah, that's what he does.
So what I'm saying to him is, you've got to replace the right. Replace
Bit
the
too
left.
early yet? Comfortable?
You need to look at chicken.
Yeah, leading off. Even he's doing his little walk camera. I'll go like this. He's going to be after you. Yeah, madman.
So you look at his front leg. Front leg foot.
Sure. You gave yourself too much room though. That's why you was miles away from the ball. Stay on the stumps. Yeah, you're developing bad habits, son. Don't do
On the
it.
stumps, roll.
Yeah, stay there.
That flexion here, so he needs to go more. You get that, you do get that.
That's all fine. Let's go. Pass the ball. You just got to stay on the stumps. That's why, son. Don't give too much room. Yeah. Lesson learned. You alright?
Yeah.
Good lad. Clear mind. I like that. Not getting too lost in the wicket. Rohan, keep your back lift. You've gone to no back lift.
Yeah, good. Yeah, develop a lot.
Are you getting down?
Yeah, good.
Are you sitting on the chair? Come on, let me do that again. Come on.
Up trip 4.
Yeah, let's do this. Okay, look how far you've drifted again. Stay low. Better.
That's what he does with the ball. Pushing it over.
Okay, Vin, leading arm again, yeah. Because that last one was good, even though you put it on the spot. Yeah. Oh, wow, Vin.
There's no fight.
Nice. First class kid. Go again. Go again, man. You're good, man. Robert Lang as well. Hold on up. Don't worry about it. You've got to toughen up. You don't want to play rugby, innit? Oh yeah, you got him running off, big boy, after the little one. Next one, Rohan. We'll keep working on leg side next week with the cones, okay? Let's keep going. Get low, yeah? Do you know what's happening? You got to stay low.
You're almost done now.
Stay low, stay low. Move the waist up.
And reverse it down.
You see some bouncing? Oh, you're okay. Listen, he's sounding like it now. He's all
I think he's I think the problem is ECB is
Where is it? I think this one's getting slightly heavy now. Which one? Is that? Yeah, that's lighter. Is that your one? Is that lighter?
This one, Rob. No, this one.
That's it.
This one.
We need something lighter. His hands are getting heavy. He's been in for a while. Yeah? Just go down, forget the sensor for now. Okay, I'm going to put your full track on, Vin.
They're looking at short term, they're not looking at...
Let's go, faster, come on, in and out. Come on the turn, up the back up. Turn, in and out, turn. Let's go, dip in and out, let's go. Watch your feet, knees up, in and out, come on.
Waiting. You're good at encouraging, you know. I like that.
But here, you've got no county, but it's like England.
Exactly. And what did I say?
County release to bring back England.
And what I say about Leicester, like you can be a proper straight.
Oh, Vin.
Who's that? No, I'm saying if you ask them, who is that? Who is that? Who was that? This shows you the system is a joke. You have a show me this year that couldn't get it.
Yeah, but yeah, for England.
Yeah, and he's at a club.
Hey, for you, Rohan, last fixture? You're the man you had.
Like he was going to get.
They're releasing basically.
Oh, played, Rohan. See, just after a while, your hands get heavy, isn't it? So we know now, luckily, we've not just walked in back. We still got to figure out that, haven't we? Yeah.
In and out, come on.
I think he didn't realise his hands were just heavy.
I think you're right with the surface. The heavier back upstairs with
Yeah.
when it's slower.
Yeah. Figure out how
Low, counted, and now the count is
Because they realize that they're not putting the right people through, they're pushing the wrong people.
Let's go back.
Rohan, you backed away.
Let's go, drive.
Stay on the stumps for the last few. Here, Rohan, come on. To me now, you can do this, yeah? You know what's coming. It's going to be slow, low, and straight. So stay down. Better. Excellent, yeah? Well done. So what happens with me? It doesn't get up, does it? Yeah? So same with Vin, stay down, stay down.
You look across the country. You tell me the size, there's got to be some better people. That's the thing.
Wow, well watch. And good bravery, didn't back away too much. There you got 3 to come. Slow, low and straight. You know what to do.
But you need that.
Oh, I nearly got through, but he didn't, did it? He just needed to get fast hands back. So the way we're playing on a fantasy surface, he is like this one. This one has been no one, isn't it?
Yeah. For me, what I see is in the county system.
Okay, 2 to come, Rohan.
They stick with them regardless whether the rubbish got it. And now, if somebody else.
It's a bit quick, that's all. Yeah?
They won't take them.
And that's the problem. And now, what he's done with the inside is
However, that's the pace of the ball in county spin. If you can control that,
Yeah.
fucking hell, you're
You're not good enough for
last one, son. Straight.
Let's do
Let's do it again. You just played early. Instead, what should you have done? Play straighter. Agree? Okay, let's go again. Play straight. Drive it straight. One more. Yeah? Good. And you're not sad? Good. Okay, so now you tell yourself, stay forward. Use the mantra, let the ball pitch. Stay. Yes, finish on that. Come on. You don't want to leave. Yeah? It's quite a workout today, isn't it? Yeah, it's good. Good learning curve today, yeah? So maybe next week we'll try this surface again. Because this doesn't bounce. You know when you play on real pitches, does it come up like this or does it stay down?
And they reach it.
From up? On pitches, not up. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. On here, it doesn't get up. Upstairs it comes up, that's why you develop a bad habit of going back. Does that make sense? So we just got to figure out what surface we're playing on. So Vin, let's go. This time slow it down. Okay, slow it down.
But you know what?
Okay, Vin, let's do this. We need to do isolation really quickly. Just to